Formerly a wealthy textile capital, Łódź has since transformed into a melting pot of art, culture, and creativity. Shopoholics can find plenty of things to do on Piotrkowska Street, one of Europe's longest shopping streets, while movie buffs can discover why Łódź is nicknamed Poland's Hollywood during a visit to Lodz Film Museum. The city also has a thriving street art scene and a selection of beautiful restored old factory buildings such as Manufaktura. The city of Lodz is pronounced Łódź. We will be using English pronunciation for the purpose of this video. Lodz. The Polish name of the city, Łódź, directly translates to boat in the English language. We didn't plan to visit Lodz, but it was just a few hours away by train from where we were staying, so we just had to give it a try. Łódź is a city that hardly anyone has on their bucket list. The city has a unique combination of historical immersion mixed with a lively and modern present. Łódź has a rich industrial history which provided a base for today's unique development. Old structures are brought back to life, only this time they are more vibrant and entertaining. We spent a whole day exploring the city. The first thing we visited is Manufaktura. Manufaktura is a tourist attraction for visitors, meeting place for the locals, and a paradise for gourmands and fans of renowned brands. Vibrant and full of positive energy, Manufaktura has quickly become a showcase of the city. The next step is the Museum of Light, 18-minute walk from Manufaktura. This museum captivates visitors with its innovative approach to showcasing the beauty of light.
Proszę bardzo. Tutaj na końcu korytarza są toalety czy szatnie, możecie sobie Państwo zostawić rzeczy. Później do nas wrócić, my Was oprowadzimy po muzeum, tak około 10-15 minut to będzie trwało. No a później będzie czas dla Was na muzeum.
The museum features a variety of exhibits that delve into the science of light, including interactive installations that engage visitors in hands-on experiences, from stunning light sculptures to immersed environments that play with perception and color. Every corner of this museum is designed to inspire curiosity. This is a great place, and we could get a bit artistic with the photos we were taking there. Just a couple of minutes away, you have the Passage Rose. This is a typical Łódź courtyard passage that has been completely lined with mirror fragments arranged in a swirling floral patterns. The Rose Passage looks most beautiful from a distance when entire walls sparkle wonderfully and shine in the sunlight. The name of the place comes from the shapes formed by the cut pieces of glass which resemble roses. Not far from Rosa's Passage, there is Piotrkowska Street. This is the most important street in Łódź. It's very much the defining landmark of Łódź, cutting through the very center of the city, from north to south. It has two distinct halves, each with a completely different character. The north is pretty and semi-pedestrianized, with restaurants, chairs and tables spilling across the pavement, and a lot of public art to look out for. The southern end is not particularly interesting in itself, but has a number of key attractions to visit. The street, just under 5 kilometers long, ranks as the longest pedestrian street in Europe. We enjoyed walking up and down the street. We could find some interesting street art and statues. Situated just off Piotrkowska Street, hence the name, off is a complex that has been over the beautiful old cotton mill buildings of the farmer Ramish factory and is now heralded as a prime example of a successful renovation project. Lots of cafes, restaurants and shops in a unique surrounding of old textile factories. Off Piotrkowska is full of life, especially on weekend evenings. From spring to autumn, an eco market is held there, an outdoor cinema operates, and sometimes concerts are also held there. The last step is the Museum of the City of Łódź, one of the most interesting museums in Łódź. The Museum of the City of Łódź is located in the magnificent mansion built for the family of one of the wealthiest factory owners of the 19th century, Łódź, Israel Poznański. Łódź is a city that is constantly developing, trying to be as attractive as possible to tourists. Until recently, it was associated with smoky factories and industrial architecture, but now the attractions offered by Łódź have completely changed its image. Today, it is a fashionable and vibrant place that delights with its unique atmosphere. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more. Next time, we are taking you to Fuerteventura in Spain. Till then, keep traveling. See ya!